video, we're going to look at how to schedule a wave in NetSuite. So what we're going to search is for wave schedule in the little search bar and select the new WMS wave release schedule. That's going to take us to a page where we can first select a template so we can adjust and create different wave templates if we wanted to. We're going to select our location, and we'll also select the transaction type that the waves should apply to. We'll select a picking type as well. We have a separate video that looks at all these picking types in the context of manually creating one wave. So go ahead and watch that video if you're not sure, what these mean. But this is how we're going to tell NetSuite when it's releasing these waves on the schedule, what sort of picking type to assign to those waves. We can also select a wave priority, and then we can select a wave status. So if for some reason when NetSuite generates these waves, we want to keep them in pending release until someone manually validates them and releases them, we could select pending release. Otherwise, if we want NetSuite just to create them and send them directly to the mobile device, we will select released. So I can set a minimum and maximum wave order limit. If I set my minimum wave order limit and maximum wave order limit to 2 and 10, this is going to determine when this wave schedule should be triggered. So for instance, if I only have one order for the day and the wave order limit on the minimum side is 2, it's not going to trigger the schedule. If, on the other hand, I have a maximum wave order limit of 10, and let's say I have 11 orders, only 10 of those are going to be included in the wave then. I could also set these values based on the total number of lines as well, if I wanted to do it that way. And if, let's say, back to that example where we have 11 orders, but the maximum wave order limit is 10, I could have NetSuite generate multiple waves if we are over this maximum number, and I can set the number of waves that I want it to release at a time. So it can release up to 5 different waves if that order number is over the maximum wave order limit. I can select release day. I'm going to say I want this every day. And I can also select a frequency of once, every 8 hours, every 6 hours. I'm going to select once. So the run start time and end time, it's how I'm going to tell NetSuite what time of day that I actually want it to go ahead and release these. And we'll say we want that to be at the beginning of our day, so 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I can also have NetSuite email me if something went wrong. Let's say if the wave fails to generate for whatever reason, I can have NetSuite let me know that. And if it's created successfully, I could also have NetSuite let me know that. And then I would save my wave release schedule. And from there, we would want to monitor to make sure that the schedule is continuing to run and releasing those orders to be picked in the mobile device on the schedule that I set.